Hello, my name is Ahmad Thaqif and I'm holding metric number BSFD2311009. For this video, I'm going to talk about those types of aeronautical chart. So, in this video, we're going to debrief every single aeronautical chart that available that being used and utilized by pilot in every aircraft operation. So we're going to start with SID, and then we're going to talk about airport charts, en route chart, and lastly we're going to talk about STAR and IAC, which is instrument approach chart. But before that, I'm going to announce in this video we have a special guest. Our lecturer Sir Kimi maybe recognize this person. We are going to be explaining about the SID, which is Standard Instrument Departure. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the content of the video.
Hello, today I'll be talking about SID chart. What is SID chart? SID chart is an abbreviation of Standard Instrument Departure Chart. So this chart used by pilot for departing from a specific airport. So one of the reliable source you can get this SID chart is from this Jefferson Error Manual. So in here there's a lot of chart and also include the SID chart. By providing the clear path reference to the pilot, this will minimize the risk of collision between different aircraft. So when we talk about aviation, there's always concern about safety. So this SID chart is more towards the safety side of the aviation, right?
So now I'm going to talk about this. So this piece of paper called en route chart is not a blank paper. It's not a normal paper. This is a special paper because inside of this you can see all those information regarding on en route chart. So what is en route chart basically? So en route chart is a chart that pilot refers during flight, in bracket en route phases. So as you all know, everything has as you all know, before an aircraft take off, an aircraft depart, it's a flight plan that need to be prepared in order the pilot need to follow during flight. So as you all know, everything has been planned, but still pilot need to refer the flight plan by using these charts. So inside of these charts, technically you can see every information regarding on en route and regarding during the en route phase. For example, this is the airways, and it's also shown the waypoints and whatsoever. So if the flight dispatcher key in those flight plan and then plan with the waypoints, so pilot need to refer here. And then also shown the navigational aids, and then aerodrome and everything, and also the inside the en route chart, they also shown here the SUA or special use airways, where restricted, dangerous and prohibited are also being shown here. So I think that's enough. So let's go to another explanation of another chart. For this part, I'm going to talk about airport chart. So airport chart is an aeronautical chart that used by pilots. So airport chart is look like this. Can you see it? Yeah, that's a big depiction of an airport. Since in another word, airport chart is basically a depicted version or picture version of an aircraft, of an aerodrome or airport area. So airport chart is used by pilots when navigating in the airport. This chart typically used during before takeoff and after landing, which in another word, when the aircraft on ground, taxi in or taxi out. Utilized by pilot when they want to navigate where should they go, such as they want to navigate taxiways, or they want to navigate to the parking base or apron. So these are the situation that pilot utilize this airport chart. So here we are on under of the sun, and then we are currently at Anjung Spotter. which beside runway 14. So the reason why I'm standing here under the scorching sun is I want to explain about the star and IAP, star and IAC, not this star but this star. So let's cut short to the objective. So star is a abbreviation of standard terminal approach chart, which it mainly used by pilots, especially during the approach procedure. So as the same as other charts such as airport and SID, where pilot use to navigate where's the waypoint in the certain procedure. For example, for this chart is used during approach procedure. Talk about the IAC, instrument approach chart. So instrument approach chart shares the same purpose and objective of the star chart, but the main difference here, star chart cover the huge geographical area, meanwhile IAP covers smaller geographical area. Because IAP is what is like literally different to star chart, because IAP is mainly used by pilot during the low visibility approach. So on my conclusion, I think this chart is one of the ways to ensure the safety of the whole air transport industry. Yeah, as you all know, air transport is one of the safest method of travel. So I think because of it, it really helps to ensure the safety of the whole aviation industry. So I think that's enough. Thank you for listening to all my explanation, to my yapping throughout the whole video. So I hope you tak bosan lah with my videos. Thank you so much.